Welcome back to the BLIC method, where today we're going to be learning how to multiply binomials. And on my previous two videos, I showed you how to solve this using the FOIL method. First, outside, inside, last is what that stands for. And then I showed you how to do it using the distributive property. Now I'm going to show you how to do this using a table. Okay, this is three different methods, 1, 2, and 3. Choose the one that you like the most and run with it. Okay, some of you will like the FOIL method. I personally am a FOIL method guy, but there are other ways to solve this problem if you choose. All right, so for this problem, using a table, first thing we have to do is we have to create the table. So just make a nice little box. Okay, you're going to need 1, 2 horizontal lines and uno, dos vertical lines. Now what you're going to use is these sides, vertically down and vertically across the top. You're going to put your first two terms that you see, the first binomial, which is a 2y, that's going to go in this box right here, and the -7, that needs to go in this box right there. You're basically writing out this binomial vertically downward, okay? The second one, 3y plus 5, that 3y is going to go in this box right here, and that +5 is going to go in this box right here. Again, you're just writing that binomial out, but horizontally in the boxes. Now, this method is intended for you to multiply and know what you're multiplying by, because the whole idea behind multiplying binomials is that we're not just taking a single term like -7 and distributing it. We have to take two terms and distribute it to both parts. So we got to make sure everything that's supposed to be multiplied by each other gets multiplied. So right now, the best way to do this is start to multiply. This box, by the way, means nothing. You can put a couple scribbly lines in that. It's just a wasted space. We don't put anything in there. This is where we're going to get our result, and probably on most of these, you're going to have to combine a like term afterwards. So here we go. You're just going to work down and over, and where these two meet, those need to be multiplied, and the solution would go in that box. So 3y times 2y is going to give me 6y squared. Now, if I went one more over with this 2y to this box, and I went one down with the 5, these two would meet, and 5 times 2y would give me a 10y. And we just continue with that pattern. Bring 3y straight down to the bottom and take -7 across. So you're multiplying these two to make this. 3y times -7 is going to give me a -21y. And then last but not least, -7 and 5 are going to meet right there. -7 times 5 is going to give me a negative. Make sure to pay attention to those negatives so they don't catch you. And that is going to be a 35. Now, if I look at all four of those boxes, two of them are like terms, 10y and -21y. Both of them have a y with the same valued exponent. So those need to be combined. So we're going to say 10y minus 21y. So our final result here is we're going to take the 6y squared. We're going to take 10y minus 21y, which is going to give us a -11y. And then we have a -35 at the end. Our final result is a trinomial, because it has 1, 2, 3 terms. And this is it, written in standard form. Hopefully using the table method works for you. It's something that you like. Personally, me, I'm a FOIL guy, but you may like this one better. So good luck on your upcoming test. Study hard.